And I'm not looking to buy the place from the previous operator. I made that mistake a long time ago. I'm also not looking to toss them out. I can't do that, but wanted to let you know we are intrigued. I'm after infrastructure, really, Reg, and that's what's here.
Yeah, I mean, because you can't, that doesn't pencil to do a laundromat in San Diego with the sewer fees and everything else.
You're singing my tune, my brother. It does not make sense to build one, and it doesn't make sense to buy one. So here we are.
Hello, it's Reg.
Hello, it's Reg. Danny D'Angelo, the Laundromat guy.
Wherever there is injustice, you will find us. Wherever there is suffering, we'll be there. Line.
How's it going, buddy?
Good. How can I help you?
I am looking at space here in San Diego. I'm interested in leasing it from you long term. Laundromat there. That's why I am intrigued, and that's why I'm reaching out.
Okay.
I do laundries. My partner and I, we scout physically these locations. When we see underperforming stores, to put it politely, we want to reach out to you, see if and when a lease might become available. Many times they're month to month. I don't really know. But when I see the business in this type of disrepair, my MO is signing a long-term lease if and when the time comes, renewing the store with new equipment, and having yet another jewel in the crown of the stores that I operate, if that makes sense. I'm not looking to buy the place from the previous operator. I made that mistake a long time ago. I'm also not looking to toss them out. I can't do that. But this store is not the worst I've seen. It's far from it, but it's certainly not the best. So if you don't know we're out here looking, then we'll never get together. And when we do, maybe we'll do business here or somewhere else. Wanted to let you know we are intrigued. I'm after infrastructure, really, Reg, and that's what's here.
Yeah, I mean, because you can't, that doesn't pencil to do a laundromat in San Diego with the sewer fees and everything else.
You're singing my tune, my brother. It does not make sense to build one, and it doesn't make sense to buy one. So here we are.
This is not a town of weaklings. You can turn your skills against El Guapo. Now, what is it that this town really does well?
We can sew.
Well, when you get a moment, just send me your contact information, and I will ask the landlord what the status is on that guy. I mean, I don't have marching orders to lease it, but that doesn't mean that he might not be on month to month, or he's in default or something. So
I understand you're in a position where if it is not vacant, you might not even hear about it because it's not then a listing. All right, verify your email address. What's your email?
Normally you hear it beforehand. It's reg.com.
Perfect, and that's what I have. All right, Danny D'Angelo, my partner's name is Dave. I will CC him, and let us know. Again, to be clear, I think you know this. I'm not looking for rent rolls. I'm not trying to find out information or dig up anything. Again, this store probably has some lease remaining, some runway. But if it's a decade from now, I still want to talk. And who knows? You're a man about town. Your group might pick up a building that has a decrepit laundry. Think of me. Save my number. This is my cell phone. Thanks, Reg.
Just send me all your contact info. I'll keep you on file.
You got it. Bye. Thanks for answering the phone after 6 months.
Fuck, it took forever. At least he answered.
6 months. And, this is typical, dude. After 6 months of calling this guy and leaving messages at his work and his cell, he picks up like it's nothing. Hello? Now, this is the lament of my new clients. They think when we call a number, they're going to answer and they're going to have this type of interaction. Well, sometimes it takes time. And it's not my place to say, hey, man, where the have you been? It's not going to help anything. So the note you need to write down is that he gets it, he understands it. He was very crystal clear that, hey, this guy doesn't have any listings, and that's why he didn't answer the phone. He probably has another job where he's an Amazon driver. God bless him. And when I called about real estate, he just ignored it.
Yeah,
right.
he did say that he's going to check with the landlord.
He is going to check. I'm going to email him and I'm going to CC you. Keep looking.
Okay, we'll
Thanks,
do,
buddy.
Danny. Thank you very much.
I know that eventually these landlords or their agents will pick up the phone. I know that. If you scout the location and you are 100% certain that the phone number you're providing me is not only the right person, but the right contact number, then we'll keep calling. And it may take this is almost 7 months later. They just answer, hello? Hey. This is not you calling the local Walgreens to find out their hours of operation and whether or not they have Mentos on the shelf. It's not that. What we do is outside of the box. It's square peg, round hole. Understand that. This is a message to you because you hired me to do this. Eventually they will get on. And look, I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm not here to counsel you or talk to you about lost sleep. But I'm telling you right now, you're seeing this video because you believe these people to be elusive. Now, there's a reason for that. Eventually we will get them and we will get it done.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.